So hello guys and welcome to another video of my day trading reports. This is still the first challenge and the fifth day of the first challenge. I guess it was yesterday, no, the day before that I mentioned this is the tomorrow. Actually, yesterday is going to be Friday, so I'm not going to trade, which was actually a mistake from my side. It was not Friday, today was Friday, so I still traded yesterday and also today, which was yesterday. So today I'm going to report you my trades for today, Friday, and also yesterday. So let's go through it. Starting with yesterday, you see I have started my very first trade yesterday at 14:30, and the reason is quite obvious, I would say. We had retail sales news yesterday, which the result was we had actual less than forecast, and the result you can see prices going up and then compensating, I would say. So I had my very first trade yesterday, 2 minutes or 3 minutes after the news. I bought, which was totally a wrong decision that I made, and the result was -2%. I closed the position manually with 2%, and after a few minutes, as you see, I have bought again, I have sold again, so I could compensate almost 1.5% of that negative result. So I wouldn't call that a very good decision. It was not okay. I mean, I could have waited, of course. That was that was not a good decision to buy here or either to sell here. The sell was okay. However, I could have waited for some more minutes because we will see again, so I could get more profit than 1 point something. I have to be careful. I myself, I am kind of excited about the news, about the movements of the news, the consequences and the results of the news. So I have bought. I have also to say that because the result was less than expected. So based on the news, it was okay to buy, but of course, it is not everything based on the news. So let's go on. After a few minutes, again, you will see that I had another position open, another two position, I would say, two sell position, one just here. I mean, it is actually not quite obvious. I mean, if I go for, let's say, 50 minutes, then you can understand my reasoning behind that. Here I had got a confirmation in long term, so I had one very single 1 minute trade, which I closed again manually after I got 1% of profit. Again, another one with 1% of profit. For both of them, I had a TP of this price, 17,800, 680, and that is the bottom of the very fast, very last stage of the trading for yesterday, because I was thinking that we will reach that again, which was not, of course, the case. So I had just very, very short sell positions, each of them almost 1%, so that was it. I again I had a buy position, I guess it was here. No, again another sell position I had, which I closed also in negative results, because I was thinking that in this case we are going to have the TP of this 17,680, which again didn't happen. So I closed the position manually and I waited because before this position, I had the daily result of yesterday, then it was plus 2%. After that, it was almost zero or zero point 0.4, I would say, if I remember that correctly. So I was I really wanted to get at least zero, if not positive result for the end of the day. So I waited, and some minutes later, here I had, as you will just see, I had a buy position a few minutes after, where I get 1%. So it was zero. It was minus 0.4 plus 1. So I ended up yesterday with almost 0.5%. I myself, during the last years of trading, I have came to this conclusion that I'm kind of very excited about the news. There are some news that I really, even when the movement is not that much big, the movement is quite, let's say, um, I would say, let's say 0.2, 0.3%. I got excited. I get excited and I open a position, either sell or buy, which is of course not good. I have definitely had good experiences about them as well, where I get, for example, like let's say CPI, very good results, big profits, but there have been so many other cases that I had bad results. So totally speaking, I would rather not to trade at those moments. Today, back into today, we had again PPI, product price index was announced today 14:30. Um, I really didn't want to open a position. Firstly, because I was kind of sure about the total result of the challenge. I was above expectation. I had 6% by the end of yesterday, 6% out of 5. Actually, the target is 5%, so I had 6. I was quite sure. I wasn't in rush, so I said, let's wait for a better situation. I waited, and then after 15:30 Central European time, today I opened this position at 16:42. I bought here, and as you see, that was the only single position that I had, a buy position with a good result, 4.5% of my total account, or 4 point something percent of my total account. So I am very happy about that. And with that, I will close the day and I will close the week. And also, I will close the challenge number 1, because next week I will be on a business trip. So I will probably not be able to trade. So I will try not to trade, but let's see. And that was it, guys, from Friday and from this week. So let's take a look at our Excel data, our recording for this challenge number 1. As you see, the total result of this single week, 5 trading days, is 10.12%, or 10 euros, because of the account, which is almost 100 euro. Having said that, I guess that was very good. The result that we got is very, very good. I will add up on my account and I will continue recording this video for you, and also recording the results, and telling you how my trading journey is going on. I would say from next week, not next week, the week over that, because of this business trip that I'm going to have. So guys, that was it. Let's go on. Let's build this community. Let's share our knowledge. Let's share our experiences. Let's make money together. Stay tuned till 2 weeks.